Hello students, today we will watch the program that how we can create the series in Python pandas with the help of array function, and willingly we can give the array index number. Okay, so students, here we can see the second program that import pandas as p1, because in 2 lines we are importing the libraries pandas and numpy in my program. Okay, so I have to write two import statements, one for importing the pandas library as p1 variable, and second for importing the numpy library in np1 variable. Now after that we will use the array function to create the series in panda. Okay, now here in data variable I am creating an array by using the array function in the reference of np1 variable of numpy library. And now after that I have write the array element abcd here, and now in the next line I am using the series function, and in series function I will pass the data variable to take the array input. But now here with array input or array element I am using the index argument also, because I want to give the index number according to my wish, that I want to start the index number from the 100 in place of 0, because by default we will not mention the index number with the data elements, with the array elements, then it will start from the 0. And now I want to change the default starting index number according to the choice, then we have to use the index here, and I have to pass the value from where I want to start the index number. So here I have given the 100, 101, 2 and 3 for the 4 elements of my array. I have mentioned here the 4 index position, and I want to start the index position from 100 in place of 0. So now here output you can see that we will take the print for the s variable, because the final result is stored in my s variable. So when I will take the output, then you can see here that 100 index of array starts from the 100, because you have mentioned here. Okay, so 100, 101, 102 and 103, and the array elements, 4 array elements I have mentioned here a b c d. So in first position of 100, a is stored in 101 is index number of second element. In the same manner till 103 the last array element is stored. And now the d type is object, not index is starting from 100, because I have mentioned here from which number I want to start the index number. So if you don't want to mention the index number according to your choice, then by default it will take from 0. So now here I told you both type of program. If you don't give the index number with the array element, then it will start from the default value from 0. And if you want to start the array index according to your choice, then you can give from wherever, from which number, from which character you want to set the array index. Okay, now after that we will discuss how to create a series from dict. In last programs we will create the series by using the array function, and now I am creating the series in pandas by using dict, means dictionary concept. Okay, so in first 2 lines this importing of pandas and numpy, and now I have taken the variable data and I have mentioning the 3 elements a 3 index number a b c with the elements 0, 0.0, 1.0 and 2.0. I want to store the floating value in my array. So so I am using here 0 point, 1 point and 2 point. Now s equals to pd1 dot series, and I will pass the data variable in the series function for the index number and elements both. Now I will take the print s. Now you can check the output here. Index number you have set ABC and the value 0 point, 1 point and 2 point. So this is showing here, and now the data type is showing here float 64 because I have inserted the floating value decimal values in my array. Okay, now if you want to again if you don't want to give the index number, then and if you want to give the start the index number, and you can check here import pandas as pd1 numpy and data a of 0 b1 c2 as cd data, and index number you are mentioning here from b you want to start the index number, and you I have changed the sequence also b c d a. Okay, now I have mentioned only ABC index number with the array element, and now I want to I am passing the index number D also. So what will be the output according to this? You can check here. So firstly B is stored 1.0, so 1.0, then C stores 2.0, so 2.0, D index number element is not here, not present here, so it will show the NaN stands for not a number. Okay, so not a number is assigned to the D index, so it will show DNAN not a number. And now A is storing 0.0 and data type float because it is storing the floating or decimal value in itself. Now after that, students, the third way of creating a series in Python pandas is create a series from scalar. Scalar means single value. If you want to assign the same value to all array elements, then that's known as a scalar. That's known also as a single value. If you want to pass the single value to all array elements, then how we can create the series? This is the third way of creating a series in Python pandas. So after importing the pandas and numpy, now s equals to pd1 dot series, and now here I want to set the 5 as an array element of all whole array, and now I want to start the index from 0 1 2 3. So index equals to 0 1 2 3. So students, this is a default value of index 0 1 2 3, but I have to mention here because I have not mentioned the array size here, and now and I don't have mentioned the array elements also, so it can't be taken guess that how many elements is stored in the array. So to give the correct how many element in array you want to insert, we have to mention the index number. So how many index number I will mention here? At the same time the same value 5 will repeated in the all element of array. Okay, so index is very necessary when we create the series with the use of scalar. Okay, so here I have mentioned index equals to 0 1 2 3. It means I want to insert 4 elements in my array, and I want to assign the same value 5 in all 4 elements of my array. So you can check here as an output 0 1 2 3 because you have mentioned 0 1 2 3 indexing number here, and the same value 5 you want to repeat in all array elements. So 5 5 5 5 5 is repeating. How many index number you will give here na? At the same time the same value is repeated for the all array elements. Okay, and now 5 is the integer value, so the array, it means the array is of integer type. Okay, so D type it is showing in 64, and not here 5 is repeated for 4 times. Here the same value 5 is repeated 4 times because you have mentioned the 4 index position for the array. Okay, so now this is the way how we can create the series by using the ND array, by using the dictionary, or by using the scalar. Okay, So now after that we will discuss how we can implement the math operation on the pandas series. So students, we can see that how we can implement the addition or multiplication operation on series. So all of you are aware that addition and multiplication both are comes in the category of arithmetic operators, and arithmetic operators comes in the binary operators category, and binary operators means that required at least two operands to perform any type of operations. Okay, so here we required at least two series to perform addition or multiplication. So here I am taking two series as an input, S and T. S equals to P1 dot series 1 2 3. I want to store in the S series 1 2 3 array element, and in T series P1 dot series 1 2 4. Three elements I have inserted in both series S and T, and now in U variable I want to take the result of S plus T. So because I want to add the both series that is stored in S and that is stored in T. So one variable I required that stores the result of S plus T. So here I have taken U variable that will store the result for the addition of both series. Now after that I will take the print of U variable, print of result variable. Okay, so now you can check, and again I want to apply the multiplication operation on both series. So I have to use U equals to S multiplied by T. Okay, so now I want to take the print U. So you can check the output of the first U when I have executed the addition operation on both series. So you can check that both series can contain three elements in itself, and addition operation, how we can say that addition operation is performed. I can check here that the first element of first series S is added with the first element of T series. So 1 and 1, it becomes 2. Now 2 and 2 becomes 4, and 3 and 4 becomes 7. So in this manner, this is the output of the addition operation on two series. The same number of element of one series is added with the same number of element of second series. Okay, and now it will show the output. So now students, you know that when we will add the two series, then it will create the third series, because the series addition is stored in as a series also. Okay, so here we can check, and 0 1 2 is the index number of the result series. Okay, now after that we can check the multiplication operation of the both series. Now you can check, and just like addition is performed with the same index number of the first series to the same index number of the second series, in the same manner the same index number element is multiplied with the same index number of the second series. So 1 into 1, it will give 1 to us. Now 2 into 2, it will give 4 to us, and 3 into 4 12, it will give us in the second position. So now this is the maths operation, maths arithmetic operation, addition and multiplication, how we can implement, how we can perform the addition and multiplication operation on pandas series.